So this is the focus funnel. Imagine a funnel. The funnel is the easiest way to move water liquids from one place to the other without spinning anything around, right? It takes a while, a little bit longer maybe, but the results are more efficient because all the water goes just from one little hole directly into the bottle where we want, on in the container where we want to have that water. So the first level, imagine that the wider open of the funnel is the lesson. So within the lesson, there is all the things that we know as teachers, we know about this specific moment in the learning process. All the things that I know about covering the ears, all the things that I know about the wrap or the step forward, why this is important, why it's relevant for future application in different setting, and all this kind of stuff. So this is my knowledge, and this is the reason why I want to teach that specific behavior to the student. Sometimes, depends on the learner, we share all this information, all this sort of brainstorming that we are doing with the learners. Sometimes not. It depends. With younger learners, we don't have to say everything to them. With older learners, maybe one of your students, Diana, they want to know why they are doing this specific exercise, and you want let to know why it's important and which are the benefits and all this kind of stuff, right? So it depends. But what we do share with the students are the instructions and the tag point. The instructions is the explanation of what is next, what is happening next, what we want the learner to do now after I done with my talking. And the instructions are phrased like very, very shortly with 1-2 phrases, 1-2 sentences. And that's it. So I found that the instructions are the most difficult part of the funnel of the TAGteach, because you have to narrow all the things that you know, all the things that you have in your mind to just maybe, let's say, 10 words, 12 words, something like that, and give that information to the learner. And this requires a lot of practice. So this is something that you want to work with, because in my experience, that is the most difficult part. Because when I got the instructions, getting the tag points, so the measure success, what I need to do to get the success, to get the sound of the tagger, it's pretty easy. So instructions and tag point are the things that we share always with the students, and we have a specific phrasing for these two parts. The lesson, again, is something that you want or not to share with the students. But I think that the lesson is the most relevant part for the learner, because we have to make up your mind and decide what we have to do next, right? And then we have to find a way to narrow this information through the instruction to the tag point.